We can't always rely on the market to go up in value, can we? So how can we make dollars in a market that might be actually declining? Well, one way to do it, and one way that we've done it here at IPP Australia, is through subdivisions. So firstly, in a declining market, obviously it's going to be more of a buyer's market, so the opportunity there to get dollars off the price is there first up. So you might buy a parcel of land, a large parcel of land that is subdivisible into 2 or 3 or 4, and you can get it at the right price. The next thing to do is to obviously chop up that property into separate titles. Let's assume, say, 3 in this example. 3 separate titles then will then increase the value of each property versus having one large site. So whether the market's going up or down or sideways, doing a subdivision and splitting up a larger lot into separate titles, 2 or 3 or 4, is a great way to make money. If you've got the funds available from there, you could even then build on each of the blocks and then sell them as completed homes, or if you don't want to go that far, you could just sell them as single blocks of land. A really good way to have a look at making money in any kind of market is through subdivisions.